Hello to everyone. In this video I want to show you and tell you, is it possible to make money with a Wirestock? For those who are new here, it's such kind of tool that helps to upload your image in one place, and then this Wirestock will sell your images on many different platforms. Some time ago I made a video about how to use Wirestock, how upload your images directly, and told you everything in detail. So if you didn't see this video, there is a link you can click and figure out everything in detail. Here's my Wirestock account. There is Constantine collection, and I do some background, do avatar, and so on. So as you can see on my gallery, only 15 images. Here it is, all my images. So these all images was made by AI generated. And the cool thing, this Wirestock, what they do everything for you. For example, I just upload this image and they prompt everything. As you can see, there's AI, generative, illustration, digital. So this service understood that this image was AI generated image. I didn't mention it. So there's graphic, game, and so on. And there's a title, a generated illustration of futuristic car I front of futuristic castle in fantasy world. Okay, description, in front of futuristic castle in a fantasy world. Okay, the same. So in this particular image you can find on Shutterstock, on Adobe, Alamy, DreamSime, Deposit Photos, and so on. But now almost this service doesn't work with AI generated images. So I'm not sure about how many these websites has my image. Okay, let's go back. I want to show you some other examples the same way. See more. Let's go back. And the most interesting thing, my dashboard. And you can find $2.04, and that's all. And it's about referrals only, so nothing, just nothing. Let's go back. My first image I uploaded on January 24 and still doesn't sell any copy of that. The next, I want to show you there is a problem. This service I don't like because of the paid version. It's two big differences with paid and no paid version. For example, when you start the Wirestock with my link that you can find in the description below, they will give you 3 months with a paid version, so you don't need to pay anything for first month. But in this case, your images will check for around 2 hours, maybe 1 day, not longer. But my latest images that I uploaded to this Wirestock, let's see, as I remember well, this one, in review, still in review. Today is June 27, and there is a post date April 20 and June 27, and it's still in review. Let's go. There's the grass, April 30, still in review. And the last image that already passed the review was uploaded in February 8. But at the same time, there is only digital license print on Wirestock, so there is no Alamy, Deposit Photos, or any other tool. And let's check how much paid version costs. So paid yearly is 6.49, but you need to pay it yearly. And monthly paid, it's 12.19 months a month. In this case, they will review your image around 1 day at least. I'm sorry, here it is. Wait no more than 48 hours, not 2 months. As you saw, I didn't upload any new image since my last videos about Wirestock. So obvious, this is not my main business, not my main income. Previous time when I made video about Wirestock, I just wanted to show you how you can make money online, and that time the most of websites allowed you to upload these AI generated images. So there was a possibility to make money with Wirestock. But now, unfortunately, if you don't use a paid version, I think there is a fairer chance to make money with this website. But it doesn't mean that you cannot make money with Wirestock. I saw a few guys on internet that make money with Wirestock. They showed their dashboards. But if we compare they with me, you will see that I made only 15 images and they made more than 1000, and some of them, if I remember well, it was around 2 or 3, almost 3000 images. And yes, they make money online with such amount of images. But of course, in my case, it's obvious that with only 15 images you cannot make money. Maybe with paid version yes, but without it I think I can't complain for such kind of business with 15 images on it. So maybe I'm wrong and you make money with Wirestock. If yes, please leave the comment below this video and tell me how much money or around what amount of sum you made with Wirestock. It's really interesting how much you need to make AI generated images or any other images to make money with Wirestock. And if you want to know more about MidJourney, AI generated images and Amazon KDP, then subscribe to this channel, give me a thumb button and leave some comment below to promote this video through the internet. I hope this honest video will help you to decide whether you need this Wirestock or not. Wish you a good luck and hope I will see you in the next video. Bye bye!